Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create eBay seller account. So let's get started. So now here we are on ebay.com, and from here, if you don't have an eBay account yet, even if it's just a buyer or just a standard account, you would need to have that account first. So let's sign in or sign up right here. Click on sign in. And from here, we're just gonna sign in using Google right here. But if you would want other methods, then you can click here on create account. And from here, you can also proceed with Google, Facebook, and Apple, same as signing in right here. So for now, let's just create an account since we don't have one yet. So click on Google account so that it would be much simpler. And just like that, and there we go, we are now registered and will now be proceeding into this tab. So create an account right here. So we will be using your Google details to create your eBay account. Click on create account, and now you can now skip this step right here. And then once you are now logged in and here you are on the homepage of eBay, what you need to do now is that you need to click here on sell. So click on sell. And then now what you need is to click on list an item. And from here, you will be listing your first item right here. Then after that, you will proceed to registering as a seller. So from here, let's just say I'm selling a t-shirt, just for an example, and click on this button. And then the next thing is we're just gonna wait for this one to load, and then there we have it. We now have this one, so you can top or you can pick from the products library of eBay right here, or you could just continue without match if you'd want to. But in my case, I'll just pick a product right here. So let's just say I want this one. So if you have your own product, you can click here on continue without match right here. So I'm just gonna go with pre-owned and click on continue to listing. And now after you have provided your phone number and your address, you will be redirected right here. So you'll once again need to put up your address right here, but be more specific because you have the postal code, city, and so on. So I'm just gonna provide it here. And then there we have it. After we have provided our details, then now we can add photos about our product so that we can complete our listing. So in my case, I'm just gonna go and continue with this stock photo right here since I am just using a product here on eBay for me to sell. So I'll just proceed with this one. But if you want to add more, then you can always do that. And then you can add a title, item category, item specifics, additionals, and so on, the conditions right here, description, pricing, and so on. So let me just go and bump up the price right here, for example. And then from there, you can also have the shipping, the domestic shipping right here, promote your listing, and so on. And then once you're all done, click on list it. And now once you are done completing the listing details, now you will be setting up your selling account. So this is your seller account right here. So first is you need to connect your Payoneer account. After that, you want to sync your eBay and Payoneer profiles and additional financial info, and then submit your registration info right here on the last step. So you would be using Payoneer here as your payment method primarily in eBay. So click on get started to proceed. And then from here, as you can see, connect your Payoneer account. So provide your phone number and so on right here. You can call or text. And then the next thing is sync your profile. So I'm just going to go and proceed with this step. And then the next thing is that it will now ask us to continue with an individual account. So I'm just going to click on continue. And then after that is basically just the basic ones. So you do have an existing Payoneer account. So if you don't have one, then you would need to create here on no create one right here, and then you'll be proceeding with all of this. So these are all actually very simple steps. As long as you're here, just complete this process right here. It's very straightforward. After setting up your Payoneer right here, you would be syncing your profiles and then financial info right here. These are just personal infos right here, so I don't think you need special guidance for that. And then now you'd be submitting your registration info, which is very simple. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.